Are you looking for the best beard straightening in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best beard straightening that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, YIBI Academy Ionic Beard Straightener Comb. For all types of hairs, this is a widely compatible unit that serves all. You can use it on curly, short, long, thin, and thick hairs. Besides this, it has a detachable outer layer comb, which will easily shield the heating plates from getting in touch with the skin. More interestingly, it also features ceramic heating elements, which make it excellent for fast and quick heat up. The beard brush has a lightweight compact design, which allows for easy portability. The long 360° swivel power cord makes it very flexible. Other than this, it has been ruggedly built using heat-resistant materials for long-term use. The brush operates at variable temperatures, making it ideal for all users. The cost of the product is affordable despite the top-notch features. At number 4, Aberlite Max Beard Straightener Brush for Men. Utilizing the PTC heating technology, this is a fine selection of a straightener brush that will suit you better. Because of this, the unit brings about uniform and consistent heating that enhances the grooming process. Also, it uses advanced ionic conditioning plus anti-static coating to offer a simple glide and long-lasting results. Working at 5 variable temperatures, it is a highly versatile unit that you can adjust to suit your grooming demands. The unit heats up to 440 degrees F. It has been ergonomically designed plus has a longer power cord that makes it a great option that will suit you. The portable unit has a long flexible power cord and great for both home and office uses. It is a safe unit with an auto shutoff system, thus a pick that will suit you better. At number 3, DOLIROX Multifunctional Hairstyler Beard Straightener Brush. This is a highly versatile comb that you can use for grooming the beards and styling the hair. The powerful unit will heat relatively faster in about 60 seconds and able to straighten even large volumes of hair. Besides this, it is a flexible unit thanks to the swivel power cord. You will find it elementary to use thanks to the ergonomic design. The beard brush also comes with natural, organic 1-fluid Oz unscented beard balm that you will find great for grooming. More interestingly, it has a universal voltage that ranges from 110 volts to 240 volts, thus you can use at home or when traveling. The brush also operates at different temperatures so that you can easily adjust to handle different beard sizes. At number 2, BEARDCLASS Premium Beard Straightener Comb. Do you need a perfect beard brush for grooming? Here is a special pick of a beard brush that has been ergonomically designed to suit every user. The unit features closer and shorter bristles, which ensures that it grooms all types of beards. In addition to this, it also operates at variable temperatures, hence you can adjust the unit from 150 degrees C to 210 degrees C, making it great for most grooming needs. Also, it is a lightweight and compact unit that you can easily carry when traveling to groom the beards anywhere needed. More interestingly, it has ceramic-coated heating elements that bring about fast heating in just about 40 seconds. Lastly, it comes with a long 360° swivel power cord, making it very flexible. At number 1, Aberlite Beard Straightener Brush. It is important that you check for the safety of the brush before making the order. This is a very safe beard brush that has an auto shutoff system, hence will not overheat. In addition to this, it features quality ceramic heating elements that bring about even and consistent heat supply. The beard brush also has a LED display so that it alerts when it is operational. The brush heats relatively faster in just about 30 seconds, which makes it a pick that will suit you better. It is a portable and ergonomic unit that has been designed to allow for your beard straightening needs. It functions at adjustable temperatures of 150 to 190 degrees C, making it great to customize the settings. What is more, it comes with a long flexible 360 degrees swivel cord for reliable uses. The unit also uses PTC technology for fast and efficient grooming of the beards. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.